5 ways to make $5,000 to $50,000 in 3 months. There are many ways to make money, but no one way is guaranteed to work for everyone. The best way to make money is to find something you're passionate about and good at, and then find a way to make money doing it. Here are some ideas to get you started. Start a business. This could be anything from a small online store to a full-fledged company. If you have a product or service that people need, you can make a lot of money by starting your own business. Invest in stocks or real estate. This is a more risky way to make money, but it can also be very rewarding. If you're willing to take on some risk, you could make a lot of money by investing in stocks or real estate, freelance or consult. If you have a skill or expertise that people need, you can make money through freelancing or consulting. This is a great way to make money on your own schedule, create and sell digital products. This could be anything from ebooks and online courses to software and apps. If you can create something that people want, you can make a lot of money by selling it online. Become a real estate agent. This is a great way to make money if you're good at sales and marketing. Real estate agents can make a lot of money by helping people buy and sell homes. These are just a few ideas to get you started. There are many other ways to make money, so don't be afraid to get creative and find something that works for you. Here are some additional tips for making money. Set realistic goals. Don't try to make too much money too quickly. It's important to set realistic goals and stick to them. Be patient. It takes time to make a lot of money. Don't get discouraged. If you don't see results immediately, don't give up. There will be times when you want to give up, but if you keep at it, you will eventually achieve your goals. I hope this helps.